Hello guys, in this video I will tell you a very nice website to download programming courses for free. The site name is coursescity.com. It is very nice website. In this website you can enroll in any type of courses. In this website there are all premium Udemy courses are for free. Like here you can in subject you can see code, design and all type of categories are available. You can search here your course you here want which in which course you want to enroll, like I want a course of SEO. Like I want this course, I will click on this. It's free course, as you can see guys. Go to course. As you can see guys, there is free course. I can easily enroll in this course and start my course. Yeah, this need a login. I have already account, so I click on login. So guys, you can see here is a great choice here, Yarkhan. I am enrolled in this course. I can start easily this course. So guys, explore this website and download your favorite courses from here, like web development and C++, Python. All courses are available in this website. This is very secret website that I am telling you. As you can see guys here, full stack development with React, complete 2020 web development bootcamp, the complete front end development course. You can enroll in all these courses easily. In this course is discount offer. I don't want discount offer, so I want free, all free, completely free course, like this course. This is free course guys. You can how to create a website in a weekend project centered course. As you can see, this is free. This is Coursera course. You can enroll for free here. So guys, this is very nice website. Please like, subscribe and share my channel and support me. Thanks. You will get more videos related programming and freelancing and data science and digital marketing. Thank you guys.